In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync team tasks in Microsoft Outlook quickly and efficiently, perfect for our 2025 guide. Before we dive into the tutorial, it's important to note that organizing and syncing team tasks can significantly enhance productivity and streamline communication within your team. Let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to Microsoft's official website. This is your starting point and will ensure that you're accessing all the necessary tools and applications. Once you're on the site, look for and click on My Microsoft Account. This is your personal hub for managing all things Microsoft related, helping you access a variety of services with ease. Now, on your account page, you'll notice a square icon with several dots, commonly referred to as the application launcher. Click on this icon. It allows you to navigate quickly between different Microsoft services without having to enter separate URLs or pages, keeping everything conveniently located in one place. Next, from the options available, click on Outlook. This will take you directly to your Outlook dashboard where all your email and calendar functions live. Once there, you'll see a section called More Apps. Click on it to access additional features that aren't part of the default landing page. Among these options, you should find a section labeled Groups. By incorporating these groups, you create dedicated spaces for teams to coordinate and communicate effectively. Click on Groups, and you will find an option to create a new group. This is where the magic happens. The new group feature will allow you to create a dedicated environment for your team's tasks. After selecting New Group, you'll need to type in a name for your group. Be descriptive, yet concise, so everyone can easily identify it. For instance, if you're focusing on project management, a name like Team Task works well. This clarity in naming will help your team members know exactly what tasks are being synced and organized within this group. Once you've named your group, go ahead and hit Create. This action will establish the group and prepare it for use. Now that the group is created, you're just a step away from inviting others to collaborate. Click on Add Member to bring on board your team members. This capability to add members ensures that everyone necessary is included in the collaborative process, enhancing interaction and productivity. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've efficiently set up a system within Microsoft Outlook to sync your team tasks, thereby improving your team's workflow and communication. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, make sure to subscribe for more productivity tips.